am Emmanuel Tangumonkem, the visionary of Career Development Institute, presenting on the practicum for project development. The practical training in project development is meant to enable the trainee identify an existing organization ranging from formal to informal organizations. It could be a know your neighbor group, it could be a church group, a subgroup in the quarter, whether registered or not, where you can be able to associate yourself with the group members and the group leaders to be able to find out what motivated them to be able to come together as a group, what social problem are they trying to solve, how are they going about it, what are some of the challenges involved, how do they do about funding and sustaining their business, and what projections do you have for the future concerning from that kind of model that they are using. At the Career Development Institute, we are not just interested in you getting knowledge, but in you being able to do something practical. You will be expected to present to us a maximum 6-pager document that states your experience, where you went, what you did with them, what is their vision, how are they carrying out their program, what social problem are they solving and how are they going about it, what challenges are they facing, and what value can you add as a trainee at the Career Development Institute. We want you to get this embedded knowledge so that you will be able to use it when it comes to writing your own project proposals. Go to people who have founded organizations, go to small groups that work together where it's easier and easiest for you to be able to have access to information. And we are looking forward to getting to know your experiences and the knowledge you must have acquired. See you at your next level. Thank you. God bless you.